Your life is your masterpiece. It's your painting. It's your movie. You get to decide who exactly plays what roles and what this movie is going to look like. So, are you excited to design your life? For the sake of simplicity and understanding, I have divided this into 5 stages: awareness, thinking, habits, belief, and self leadership. And before we begin, it's important you be seated in a relaxed way at a place where you won't be disturbed by people around you. Grab yourself a pen and a journal or notepad and make sure you make the most out of this. Stage 1 is awareness. You design a unique life by bringing awareness to who you are. It's the first and probably the most critical aspect: self awareness. For this, you need to investigate and ask yourself. Ask yourself these questions. The first question is: are you really good at something? And what are you great at? Now think about what your strengths are. What is it that your heart truly desires? What is it that you really want in life? What gives you true joy and happiness? Think about it. Now sit with these thoughts. Do a quick SWOT analysis with awareness. The second stage is thinking. Identify what you are thinking about with various aspects of your life. Bring your attention to your subconscious thinking that is happening on autopilot. Write down some of those patterns that show up and challenge them. Check if you have a more useful, more empowered thinking pattern that you can choose from. That mindset will help you create and design your life. The third stage is habits. You see, when things get hard, your habits will pull you through. Let's take a few moments to see what this is actually about. Ask these questions to yourself. If I was to design my life, what would be some of my habits? Think about it. What are the habits that will help me create this outcome that I desire? What are these habits that I need to impart in my life on a day to day basis that will help me create and design my life? What are the habits that I need to embody and bring into my life so that I can design the life that I want? The fourth stage is belief. Do you believe that you can actually design your life? Please see, challenging times in life are not a way to block you from your progress. It is to create you into the version that you eventually become. Don't lose the belief that the universe has got your back, because if you want to design your life, you need faith and belief. Things do get difficult, yes, and when they do, this faith is going to pull you through. So always remember, clarity in mind, purity in heart, and sincerity in action. That's all we need. That's all we need to lead an uncompromised, extraordinary life. And lastly, the fifth stage is self leadership. You see, self leadership is nothing but a combination of self awareness plus self discipline and the ability to take consistent actions. That's it. But this, in my humble opinion, is probably the single most important attribute that you need to have in order to succeed in life. So let's be committed to our self growth and develop the skill of self leadership. This is nothing but, as I said, self awareness, self discipline, and the ability to take consistent actions no matter what. Do let me know if you need any help from my side. Don't forget to like the video, share it with as many friends and family members as possible, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I also invite you to join the School of Life exclusive WhatsApp group, the link of which is given in the description below.